Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is the Fluidampr Harmonic Damper.
So we've been working on a Dodge Cummins truck rebuild, and we really wanted to upgrade the harmonic damper. So the damper reduces noise, vibration, harshness, and makes for a smoother running engine, and generally reduces wear and tear, which is always a good thing. So you can see it here after it was installed. Now, the standard damper, which you see on the right side, is both smaller in size and has a smaller frequency range, and it eventually wears out, it cracks, it breaks down, and it could actually lead to a catastrophic engine failure. So the Fluidampr is a huge improvement due to it being made of thick silicone and aluminum. It's able to reduce NVH across all frequency ranges, and it's maintenance free. So it will not wear down. It does not have the same potential for failure as the stock one does. So we were able to install it pretty easily. Of course, it's a little bit of a tight fit in there. We did have to remove the fan to get those bolts in place, but overall, really happy with the way that it went in.
So that's why we are really happy with this purchase, and that's my point of view.